Hi, welcome back. In the first session of this lecture, we have introduced ourselves to pie chart, how to do the calculation of the degrees, how to do the calculation of the percentages, when to apply pie chart, when not to apply. And we have also learned how to draw pie chart manually. But most of the time, you are not going to draw manually, because it can be very difficult, especially when you have large dataset. In that case, we are going to use software to create our pie chart. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how to create pie chart in SPSS, and you are going to learn a lot. Let's go to SPSS and draw pie chart. So for this example, I'm going to use fuel. I'm not going to use make because under make, as you have seen in our previous session, there will be a lot of categories. And with fuel having only 3 categories, it will be good when we demonstrate with this fuel. So I go to analyze descriptive, I go to frequencies, and I'm going to choose my fuel and take it to variables. Then let me not show frequency tables. I'm going to charts and I'm going to choose pie chart. I'm okay with the frequencies. I say continue and then I say okay. Boom, pie chart is created for me. And from just here I can see that the most German machine use gasoline followed by diesel, and then there are a few which are using electric stroke gasoline. Now, I want to edit this pie chart to look at least more attractive, and also this pie chart to be more informative. To do that, I double click on my chart. So the first thing that I want to do with this chart is to create data label. So I click again on the chart, go to element and show data labels. Boom, my data labels are there. Once you're here, you do realize that what I'm showing around here are the counts. So you might also want to show some percentages, and also you want to maybe show the names for each of these slides. So to do that, I can choose percent and also fuel, which is the name of the variable. I take it or bring it up here and I say apply. Very good. So now you can see that I have electric stroke gasoline, which are 8 counts making up to 4.02%, and then I have this diesel 92 counts, 46.23. I have again gasoline here, which makes up 49.75%. There is something that I've mentioned that should be already standing out for you. We have said while drawing this pie chart manually, we want to go from largest to smallest in descending orders. And now from here, you cannot see any of such order. So to get that, you can double click on your chart, go to categories, alright, then sort by. I want to sort by statistics, and then I want to sort descending, and I say apply. Very good. This is what we wanted to do. We have said we want the largest to be from this clockwise direction, largest to smallest. So I have gasoline, which is the highest, 49, followed by 46, and followed by 4. Very good progress with our pie chart. The next thing is again to try to make these visuals more attractive. The next thing that I want to do is my data label is white. So I might want to change the background of this data label. So I click on the data label, right? And of course double click and change background fill and this fill I might choose this color and I say apply. So now you can see we have this dark color for our labels. The next thing, I have gasoline, I mean legend around here, and I have legend inside here, just for demonstration. So I can stick with one and do away with the other. For now, let me do away with this legend. So I can just click on the legend and I say delete. Right? I close. Because all information that I need for this pie chart is captured inside the data label. The next thing that I'm interested in are the colors. Right? So for example, I can design my chart, part of the chart, right? Click on in there and of course double click to open up. Fill, I can decide to, let's say, filling with this light green and say okay. Again, for the wider part of the chart, I might have something of the sort and say apply, close. So now you can see you're having a better chart around here. You can change the title. Let's have our title maybe fuel pie chart, just to be right. And then you can now close this. You can now close this again. You can minimize the size of your pie chart from here, right? From here again, and there you go. So that is how you create pie chart, and also how to format your pie chart to look a little better. And of course you can have this data and try to create this pie chart in visual related software like Power BI or Excel or any other thing, if you want to format it differently from what SPSS can handle for you. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for joining and enjoy learning.